Welcome back, guys, to Ask Antonio. Here we are again for Ask Antonio segment. So we got a girl named Maureen. She is from Rhode Island. She is just bought a brand new house. It's an older home. The biggest problem is, her doors are not closing. She's got like 10 doors in the house that aren't closing. So I'm going to give you a really super easy, quick fix there, Maureen. Generally, they get stuck at the top because that is where the house settles the most. And so you want to get a block of wood, nothing too big, but nothing too small that you're going to hit your nails when you hit it with a hammer and break a nail. So get that block of wood up against the top of the jamb or wherever it's getting stuck. Give that a few smacks, okay? And you're gonna start to see that door start to close better, okay? Give it a couple more smacks. This way she starts closing good. Sometimes you can put a little screw in there. If you got yourself a nice little drill, put a screw in there and then put a little, caulking or a little wood filler over that, and that'll take care of it. But 9 times out of 10, that takes care of it. It's only just a little hair that you guys got to get that thing knocked in. So hope that, guys, that helps you guys all out. Thanks for subscribing, Maureen. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next segment of Ask Antonio.